Good day everyone! So today napakaikli lang ng ating video at ang title nito, How to Activate Mobile Key for More Secure and Easier Transaction. Alright, open lang natin yung ating BPI app and dito ilalagin lang natin syempre yung ating account. And once na makapag-login na tayo sa ating account, hanapin lang natin yung More and itatap natin yon para hanapin naman natin yung, General Settings. So, dito i-click natin yung General Settings. And here, hahanapin lang natin yung Enable Mobile Key. So, here we go. Ito na, nakita ko na agad. Now, click natin yung Activate para makapagsimula na nga tayong i-activate to. Okay, mga few steps na lang kailangan natin. And here, kailangan natin mag-nominate ng 6-digit PIN code. Alright, habang nag-e-enter pa ako, huwag niyong kalimutan, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for good luck. For security purposes, magpapadala sila ng OTP, tap lang natin yung OK, and ipapadala nila yun sa ating registered mobile number. And tap na natin yung yes, I receive, and here, i-enter natin yung one-time PIN or yung OTP na na-receive natin. Don't worry kung hindi kayo naka-receive, pwede naman kayong mag-ulit-ulit para maka-receive kayo. Anyway, ayan, mabilis lang naman to. And ang susunod na step natin dito ay, tapos na. Yes, your one-time PIN has been verified. Now, mababasa nyo dito, mobile key successfully activated.